My name's Alan Dean. I've lived here for 15-20 years. We've had a kitchen extension put up. We've already had Droylsden Glass do work for us in the past, and we were quite impressed with their workmanship, and they cleaned up after themselves, you know, and that's a biggie in my book. We went down to the showroom because we wanted to see the doors, you know, plus we wanted to touch them. You can't get the same feeling from just looking at doors. You need to go and touch them, you know, to see what quality of doors you're buying. So that's what we did. He was a very nice gentleman. He helped us from start to finish. He's shown us all sorts of doors, from PVC to aluminium, and we were well impressed with the aluminium. As soon as we saw this one, we fell in love with it. It was a no-brainer, really. Everything was taken at our pace. We wasn't rushed into anything. The builders, when they came, they just got stuck into it, you know. There was no messing. They had the old ones out. Well, we told them we wanted them taken out as a full piece because Sheila was giving it to a son-in-law, you know. You know, they did what we told them to, and yeah, within, what, an hour, the old window was out and they were prepping the brickwork ready for the new window. It went so quick. I would recommend Droylsden Glass to anybody and everybody, because you'll get a good deal, you'll get good workmanship, and you'll get a good product.